Welcome back. Some light storms trying to get going near the Sacramento Mountains. Very little rain, if any, associated with these storms. Also, as we look to the northern part, you can see them mainly along the central mountain chain, and they'll really start to die down in the next few hours. As we take a look at our Taos HD webcam, you can see the increased cloud cover moving over the region, possibly squeaking out a couple of rain showers in this area. But really, rain is not going to be the big story for the week when it comes to the weather. It's going to be the wind. And also, temperatures starting to die down. It was very warm. These were our highs today. We did break a record here in Albuquerque. The record for this time of year for this day was 80 degrees. We topped out at 83. Also Santa Fe breaking a record, and Las Vegas. So very, very warm temperatures. We're going to lose about 10 degrees tomorrow compared to what we had today. Right now, 82 degrees. Winds are going at 24 miles per hour out of the south-southwest. Very dry. Look at that. Relative humidity, 8%. That is it. And still very warm in many areas. 90 degrees in Roswell, 91 in Carlsbad, 86 in Hobbs. Not too bad. The cloud cover in the western half of New Mexico is helping keeping those temperatures down a bit. Let's take a look at satellite radar. You can see a lot of cloud cover ahead of the system. That's going to be our wind maker as it starts to push to the east and gets bumped up against the high pressure. That's going to get the winds going. So partly cloudy skies for tomorrow. More wind on tap out of the southwest, especially in the northeastern part of the state as that system does pass to the north. A spot storm is possible in the eastern half. Closer to the Texas border, though, high pressure is pumping some moisture in here. As we get into Tuesday, the winds will relax, we'll get more sunshine, and have very, very mild temperatures. I think you're going to like what you see in the 7-day forecast throughout the entire state. But with the wind, we're going to have to deal with high fire danger. Very dry conditions in the northeast, plus those windy conditions will mean red flag warnings for most of Monday. So please be careful. We're not encouraging any outdoor burning in the areas you see shaded in pink. Also, southern Colorado under the red flag warning as the winds are going to be going in places like Durango as well. Let's do the numbers. Southern Colorado, mostly sunny and breezy out there. Temperatures in the upper 50s. They'll start to increase, though, getting up to about 65 degrees for Wednesday. And then toward the end of the week, another system pulls in, giving us a chance for some rain and maybe some overnight snow. But it doesn't look to be too powerful and all that impressive at this point. In the mid-60s in Farmington, getting up to 68 by Tuesday, and then temperatures back to the 70s not long after that for Wednesday and Thursday. It'll be breezy, but a little less wind than we had for today. In southwest New Mexico, breezy conditions out there, few clouds here and there, cooler for the most part, but still pretty warm in many locations like Las Cruces, 80 degrees, 78 in Alamogordo, upper 60s in Silver City, and then creeping back to the 70s by Wednesday and Thursday. And we're going to be in a holding pattern for the rest of the week. Don't look for any rain or snow in Silver City. It's going to be a pretty dry one out there. Sunny and breezy in the southeastern part of the state. Spot storm is possible, maybe even some lightning embedded in there, so please keep that in mind. And then as we look at the 7-day forecast, we're going to see temperatures pretty much hovering in the upper 80s throughout the entire week in Roswell and the Pecos River Valley. The high point looks to be 88 by Wednesday with mostly sunny skies. In northeast New Mexico, mild temperatures. Now we're going to really have gusty winds going here, possibly 40, 45 mile per hour winds. Could see some blowing dust, and we do have that high fire danger. So please keep that in mind. 70 degrees for the high, 77 in Raton, and then we'll hang out in the 70s all week in Las Vegas with a whole lot of sunshine. In the northern mountains, 56 in Red River, 58 in Shama, 66 for Santa Fe. Temperatures just a-okay as we look at the rest of the week too. 69 degrees for Wednesday and Thursday, and we won't fluctuate much at all. The winds will start to subside by Tuesday, and the rest of the week is calm in the northern mountains. For the East Mountains, breezy, mostly sunny out there. 70 in Cedar Crest, 69 in Mountain Air, 70 in Moriarty. Right here in Albuquerque, we're going to be a lot cooler than we were today, back down to the low 70s. A few clouds here and there. It will be breezy. 30 mile per hour gust isn't out of the question, but the rest of the week, really not too much to complain about. Hanging out in the low to mid 70s all week. Less wind for Tuesday, and we're going to ride it out with a whole lot of sunshine. And unfortunately, we are not going to get any much needed rain or snow this week.
Nice weather, though.
Absolutely.
Thank you, Ian. Now here's Lawrence Gilligan with sports.
Hey, thanks, Tim.